ये चुनाव आयोग की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है, आइए सीधे पहले वहां चलते हैं।
All arrangements of electoral processes were suitably modified to maintain the norms of social distancing, wearing of masks, sanitation and other safety norms related to health and hygiene. As the process of polls were modified, similarly the norms of the counting arrangements were also modified. Instead of 14 counting tables in a hall, generally we have 7 counting tables kept in every counting hall except the places where much bigger halls are available. The number of postal ballots have also increased, and we have postal ballots through the electronically transmitted postal ballot for the service voters, postal ballot for voters who are above 80 years of age, persons with disabilities and member of the essential services who opted for the postal ballot. We also have the postal ballot for polling officials, the counting of which is going on parallelly. We have on an average about 35 rounds of counting for the assembly constituencies. In some of the cases where the assembly constituencies are big, this round may be about 50 or so. And each round takes about 20 to 30 minutes, which includes tabulation, distribution of round results to the candidates and counting agents. Finally, we have the counting of VVPAT slips of 5 randomly selected polling stations as the final round. Emphasis of the Commission is that the procedures and guidelines relating to counting and COVID-19 are to be scrupulously and sincerely followed. The Commission has directed that the counting officials need not be in a haste or hurry to declare the results, and they should follow all the procedures and take as much time as it is naturally required. Considering the above facts, it is natural that it will take some more time than the normal time, and you are all aware that pandemic period is not the normal time. As rightly said by my colleague in the day, results may come till late night, and the progress is going on smoothly for counting in all the places. Many results have also come. We will give you details about that also. You are aware that the Commission has this time devised a very good IT application, and that voter helpline and the results you can see on our website of the Election Commission. You also have the app and which gives you details, authentic details of the results declared. And as you know that after the every round it has to be properly authenticated, and then it has to be sent to the digital platform of the Election Commission, which is certified by the observers and the returning officers. So that's why there may be little gap in what you see in the media and what you see on our portal. But however, we try to give you the results as early as we receive it from the counting places. So I will request first of all Mr. Ashish Kundra to give you information about this app, because this is for the benefit of the people at large. Anywhere in the country or maybe outside, you can see the results, what is coming on our portal and on our mobile app.
Good evening, everybody. As all of you are aware, and as I briefed earlier, that we have a voter helpline application which has been widely used by people across the country, and more particularly in Bihar, and of course by the media as well. And the results website which populates different kinds of dashboards. So we are showing candidate-wise trends, party-wise trends, constituency-wise trends, and wherever results are finalized on a real-time basis. And since this data is getting populated directly from the table of the returning officer, there is a certain degree of authenticity attached with the results which are shown in the ECI website. I also want to add that as far as Bihar is concerned, on the whole, 7,737 scheduled rounds were there, of which 4,858 have been completed. And broadly, in terms of round completion, we can say 119 constituencies have done more than half of the work which was there for counting. From the data which is available on our website and portal, the margin of votes which are there for less than 1,000 votes margin is about 18 constituencies. Between 1,000 and 5,000 or 50 constituencies. Between more than 5,000 and less than 10,000 is 67 constituencies. Above 10,000 it is basically 108 constituencies. So I hope all of you had very productive use of this application and shall continue to do so during the course of the evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish. I would also like to give you a snapshot of the results so far from our portal. As far as Bihar is concerned, out of 243 ACs, in 225 ACs, the rounds are pending. 9 results have been declared, and for 234 assembly constituencies, the result declaration is pending. About the by-elections, again, I would say for Chhattisgarh, there was 1 AC, and the rounds are going on for the declaration of the result. For Gujarat, there are 8 assembly constituencies, and in 3 assembly constituencies, the counting is going on. For 5, the results have been declared. Haryana, again, for 1 assembly constituency, the result has been declared in 1. Jharkhand, out of 2, 1 place, the counting is going on. Karnataka, out of 2 assembly constituencies, at 1 place the round is going on, and for 1 result has been declared. For Madhya Pradesh, out of 28 constituencies, for 16 the counting is going on, and for 5 the results have been declared. For Manipur, out of 5, at 1 place the rounds are going on, and for 4 results have been declared. For Nagaland, out of 2, 1 result has been declared. For Odisha, out of 2, the counting is going on. Telangana, for again 1 constituency